Good morning everyone. My name is Arslan and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So today we'll be starting exercise 7.6 and I hope that you have gone through our previous video lectures so that you can understand the method or how we are proceeding with each and every question. So that will be very necessary for you and I will suggest you to go back to our previous videos and learn what we have previously discussed. So exercise 7.6, the first question says that solve following, and there are various parts given and we have to solve it for the algebraic operations mentioned. So 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. So how will you proceed with that? As you know that over here the denominator is not same. So we'll first take the LCM, and LCM procedure, how do we do that, has been discussed previously. So I'll start simply by mentally calculating the LCM, and that is 21, and this will be multiplied by 7 and this will be multiplied by 3, which will result into 7 2s are 14 plus 1 3s are 3, and the denominator will be 7 3s are 21, and that will give us 14 plus 3, that is 17 upon 21. So if the concepts are clear, if you have gone through each and every topic with each and every unsolved example as we have discussed previously, these questions will be a piece of cake for you. Coming to part B. Here also the denominators are different. So 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15 is there. The LCM will be 30 and this will be obtained by multiplying the first by 3 and the second by 2, which will give us 3 into 3 upon 30 and plus 7 upon 15, or what you can say is that 7 2s are 14 and upon 30. So 14 plus 9 will give you 23 upon 30. So I hope you understand. The algebraic operation will be done as smoothly as you can do that. Coming to part C. So part C is 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7. So 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7, and that will give you the LCM as 9 sevens are 63. How do we take the LCM? You know about that, just calculate it and you will get the answer as 7 9 plus 63, and this will be multiplied by 7 and this will be multiplied by 9. So 7 4s are 28 plus 9 2s are 18, and with the common denominator of 63 do the algebraic operation, and that will give us 28 plus 18, that is 38, and 46. So 46 upon 63. If the answer can be further simplified, you can just do what? You can write 46 upon 63 in the next line, and with an equal to you can write the simplified version. Okay, into part D. So most of them are plus ones. So what we'll do, we'll take some other types. So we'll start with G because this is a subtraction one. So I'll just delete the previous one so that I have room for solving the questions. So just go through part G and then we'll start in just 5 seconds. चलो शुरू करते हैं. तो पार्ट जी पे आते हैं. इसमें क्या लिखा है? 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. So I'll just write part G, 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3, and that will give you the LCM of 12, and that is into 3 and that is into 4. Okay, so this will be 3 into 3, that is 9, and 1 into 4, that is 4, with the common denominator of 12, and the answer will be 9 minus 4, that is 5, that is 5 upon 12. That will be the answer. Part H is also a minus, so we'll do that also. 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 3. So what will be the LCM? Just do a quick calculation. 6 into 3 18. No, 6 into 3 18 will not be the LCM because the other denominator is a multiple of the either one. Okay, in the previous one you can see that 10 and 15 do not have a least common multiple except for 30. You can go 60, you can go 90, but 30 is the least one. Similarly, 7 and 3 had 21, 9 and 7 had 63, 4 and 3 had 12. But 6 and 3 have the least common multiple of 6. Therefore, this will not be multiplied with anything. Or you can say this will be multiplied by 1. And 3 will be multiplied by 2, which will give you that 5 upon 6 minus 2 upon 6, and the answer is 5 minus 2, 3 upon 6. Therefore, this implies 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. And this is the answer along with the simplest form. Coming to some more parts, so we'll solve part I because it is having 3 fractions, and 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. What will be the answer? The answer will be the denominator will be taken as the common. So you see that 2 and 4 have the least common multiple of 4. So this 2 can be removed from the LCM table, and 4 and 3 have the least common multiple of 12. Therefore, for 3 to become 12, we will multiply by 4. For 4, we will multiply by 3, and for 2, we will multiply by 6. And the LCM will become 12, and the common denominator will become 12. So 2 into 4 will become 8, plus 3 into 3 will become 9, plus 1 into 6, 6. Common denominator 12, easy to do, and that will be 8 plus 9 and plus 6. So 8 plus 6 is 14, and 14 plus 9, 23 upon 12. This cannot be further reduced. 23 is a prime number. So this is the answer. Coming to part K. Part K, 1 1 upon 3 plus 3 2 upon 3. So how do we do that? First of all, we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Improper fraction can be done how? You just need to multiply denominator with the whole and then add whatever you have and with the numerator. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So you have 4 upon 3 plus again the same operation, 3 into 3 9 plus 2 is equal to 11 upon 3. So the answer will be, since the denominator is same, we need not do the LCM process. We can just add them or subtract them directly, whatever the algebraic operation is. So 11 plus 4 will give you 15 upon 3. If you further simplify it, you can see that it will become 5 upon 1. This is the answer. Coming to part L. So I hope that you are able to grasp the way of teaching and how do we do that. So I'll request you to please go through the previous videos, as going through the previous videos will give you benefit of two things. First, that concepts related to class 6 mathematics or whatever the chapter is, you can understand it much more easily. Second, you will be able to encounter or observe or learn some additional concepts that have been discussed in various sections. So as the similar things come up, I discuss the additional concepts. Also, I discuss some of the relevant concepts as per the NCERT beforehand, so that you have some idea about what it is. And in the future, when you come to the topic as to what it is, when you have to learn that, finally, you will be having a sort of familiarity, and then you will be able to grasp it much more easily. Coming to part L, 4 2 upon 3 will be converted into improper fraction, that is 3 into 4 will become 12, and 12 plus 2 will become 14 upon 3, plus 3 1 by 4 will become 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 upon 4. And here you can see that the denominators are not same, and therefore we need to take the LCM, that will be 12, and 3 into 4 and 4 into 3 will be there, and 14 into 4 will become 40, 4 4s are 16, so this will become 56 upon 12, and 13 into 3 will become 39, therefore this will be 39 upon 12. You can just add them up and you can have the answers. 9 plus 6 will give you 15, and 1 will be here, 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9. 95 upon 12 will be the answer. You can do the same for other also. This you can do yourself, same denominator. This you can do easily. The LCM will be 6 and you can proceed accordingly. Coming to the next question. So Sarita is a person who has bought 2 upon 5 meter of a ribbon, and Lalita bought 3 upon 4 meter of a ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? So there are three things over here you need to understand. That is that there are two people. First is Sarita and another one is Lalita. Second thing which you need to understand is that the part or fraction of the thing which is done is meter. The meter has been divided into how many parts? 1 meter has been divided into 4 parts, that is 4 upon 4. Now coming to the given things, that is Sarita bought 2 upon 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3 upon 4 meter of the ribbon. So it has been divided into 4 upon 4 and into 5 upon 5. It has been divided into two types of groups. Okay, 4 upon 4 and 5 upon 5. Nothing to worry about. You just need to know what is the total length. So it is just a game of addition. You will write 2 upon 5, that is S plus L will 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. Just find the LCM and you will see that it is 20. So 5 will be multiplied by 4 and 4 will be multiplied by 5. This will give you 2, 4 to the 8 plus 5 3 the 50. And the denominator will become common, that is 20. And the answer will be 15 plus 8, that is 23 upon 20. Can this be further simplified? No, because 23 is a prime number. So 23 upon 20 meter of ribbon has been bought in total by Sarita and Lalita. I hope you understand. This is just a game of addition and subtraction, nothing more. Coming to the next question. Nana was given 1 upon 2 piece of cake, a mixed fraction, and Nazma was given 1 upon 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake that was given to both. Here also you can see that cake has been divided into two types. One is 3 by 3 and the next is 2 by 2. Okay, and Nana are Nazma are two people, so I'll write this as N and Nazma as J. Okay, Najma and Nana. I'm taking this N as the prefix. Okay, so Nana has 1 upon 2. So what you will do, you will convert the first of all the improper fraction into the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1 upon 2 will be 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 1, that is 3. This will become 3 upon 2. And Nazma will have 1 upon 3, that is 3 into 1, 3, plus 1, 4, and that is 4 upon 3. Find the total amount of cake that was given to both of them. So you just need to add n a, and you will have the answer as 3 upon 2 plus 4 upon 3. And coming to the part of LCM, you will have that as 6. So 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 will be done. So 3 3s are 9, 4 into 2 8, the common denominator 6, and that will give you 9 plus 8, that is 17 upon 6. Can this be further simplified? No, because this is a prime number 17. Therefore, 17 sixth of the cake was bought by both of them or was given to both of them. Coming to the next question, fill in the boxes. So here also a similar type of question has been given as we have already done previously. So I'll solve two parts and the one remaining you can solve it yourself. Okay, so part A says that dabba minus 5 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. As you already know, we have understood that whenever there is nothing given, we'll just take a variable, that is any small letter, small case alphabet as the unknown. I will write a minus 5 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. What is the next thing which you have to do? The next thing and the best thing is that you keep the variable as a positive. You can take that as negative, but that will increase one more step in your answer. Answer will be correct, but it will increase one more step. So try to keep the variable as positive. A will not be intervened with. A will be written in the LHS as it is, and minus 5 by 8 will be taken on the RHS. That will give us the answer of minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. Taking the LCM, it will be 8, and that will give us the answer A is equal to 2 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8, and that is 7 upon 8. I hope you understand, and this will be the answer. Coming to another question, this question is also similar, part B, so we'll go for part C. Okay, so part C will be done. So 1 upon 2 minus unknown, that is A, is equal to 1 upon 6, and therefore you will have to take the A as a positive. So what you will do, you will take 1 upon 6 on the left side and A on the right side, and that will give 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 6 is equal to A. 1 upon 6 was positive, therefore it became negative, and A was minus, so it became plus. And this implies Whenever we write this implies we have to change the line. Try to remember that. Okay, so this will have the LCM as 6, this will multiplied by 3, so this will become 3 minus 1, and denominator is common, that is 6 after taking the LCM, so this will be 2 upon 6, and the simplified answer will be 2 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 3, and that is the answer. Now coming to another question. Another question, the question number 5, we see that we have been given a certain figure and it has certain tasks, operations mentioned with respect to the row and with respect to the column. The row has successively minus and the column has plus. So we have to do the complete addition and subtraction as per the operation. So 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3 will give, so 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3 will give, since the denominator is same, it will give 6 upon 3, that is 2 upon 1. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 will give 3 upon 3, that is 1 upon 1. Now coming to the row wise part, that is 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 will give 2 minus 1, that is 1 upon 3. 4 minus 2 by 4 upon 3 minus 2 by 3, again the denominator is same, and that will give 4 minus 2, that is 2 by 3. Now going to the column operation again, we'll do the plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and that is 3 upon 3. That is done. This one will involve one additional step, that is making the denominators equal to each other, and that will make 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 as 2 will be multiplied by 3 and 3 will be multiplied by 2, so that will give 3 plus 2 upon 6, and that is 5 upon 6. So this will be 5 upon 6. Next is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4, so that will give the answer as 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4, that is common denominator, taking 3 into 4, 4 into 3, that is 12, so this will be 4 plus 3 upon 12, that is 7 upon 12. Now coming to the row wise part, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Again the denominator will be made common, so this will be into 3, this will be made into 2, and that will be 3 minus 2 upon 6, and that is 1 upon 6. So this will be 1 upon 6. Another one, 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4, the LCM is 12. This will be into 4, this will be into 3, and this will give us the answer 4 minus 3 upon 12, that is 1 upon 12, and this will be over here. Going back again to the column operation, that is 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 12 equal to, and LCM will be 12, so 6 into 2, 12 into 1, and that will give 2 plus 1 upon 12, not 3, it will be 12. It will be 1. So 2 plus 1 upon 12 will give 3 upon 12, which can be further simplified as 1 upon 4. So this will be the answer. So the only two things which you have to consider while doing any algebraic operation, that is plus and minus. With fractions, that if the denominator is not same, you have to make them same by taking the LCM and multiplying whatever is necessary as per the LCM table. Second thing is you have to just do the algebraic operations minus or plus if after making the denominator same, or if they are already same, you just need to go ahead with. Coming to the next question. So question next is, this is 6 not 7, it is just a typing error. So the question number 6 says a piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long, I'll just write it 6, so 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. Okay, so we have a 7 by 8 meter long wire, understood, that is the hole. So over here one hole is 7 by 8 meter, 7 by 8 meter of wire, that is something which is in consideration into two pieces, understood. We'll make two arrows. After that, one piece was 4 meter long. Okay, so now we get that one piece was 1 upon 4 meters long. How long is the other piece? Okay, I'll give you the answer. You just need to take the total. This is first, and this is the second part, second piece that it is broken into. So you just need to do t minus, or you can just say t is equal to first plus second, as easy, as simple as that. So t minus first is equal to second. Okay, coming to our previous way of doing the questions, that is t is equal to 7 by 8 meters, and first one is 1 upon 4 meters is equal to a. Therefore, LCM will be 8 into 2, that is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, 5 upon 8. So the other part is 5 upon 8 meters long. However, if the question would have been this way, that piece of wire is 7 by 8 meter long, broke into two pieces. Over till the now, same as it is, one piece was 1/4 of the original piece. If the question would have been like this, that one piece was 1/4 of the original piece, or 2/4 of the original piece, or whatever the fraction it is, how long is the other piece? Then the question would have changed in this manner, that t is equal to 7 by 8 meter of wire. The first piece is equal to 1/4 of the original piece, that is 1/4 of the total, that is 1/4 into 7 by 8, okay, meter of wire. And this will be calculated how? 7 into 1 is equal to 7, and 4 into 8 is equal to 8 fours are 32 meters. And second part, how will we do that? Now we will do 7 by 8 minus 7 by 32, that will give the answer. So make sure that you are reading the question properly. Coming to the next question. So the question number 7 says that Nandini's house is 9/10 kilometer from her school. Okay, she walked home some distance and then took bus for 1 upon 2 kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? Now the question is again, here also you can change the question by saying that she walked some distance and then took the bus for 1 or 1 upon 2 of the total distance. That can also be said, but here it is 1 upon 2 kilometers. So you need to read the questions properly. So Nandini's house, so total distance is 9 upon 10 kilometers. Okay, she walks and she takes the bus. So bus is taken for 1 upon 2 kilometers. What is the distance of walk? That will be t is equal to w plus b, and that is, we need to find w, therefore w will be left unchanged, and t minus b is equal to w, therefore t is equal to 9 upon 10 minus b is 1 upon 2, taking the LCM, that will make 9 minus 5 upon 10, and that is 4 upon 10, or that is 2 upon 5 kilometer in total she walked. So question number 8, this have to ask. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size partly filled with books. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2/5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full by what fraction? Okay, we'll do with this question. Just give me 5 seconds. Okay, Asha and Samuel, there are two people, A and S, of the same size. That this is to be taken noted of. This is to be taken note of, that the bookshelves are of the same size, partly filled with books. That is another thing, but bookshelves are of the same size. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full, and Samuel's shelf is 2/5 full. Okay, whose bookshelf is more full? You just need to compare, and by what fraction, and you just need to subtract. So first is, whose is bigger? So 5 upon 6, dabba, 2 upon 5 is there. You just need to make the denominator same, because the numerator and denominator for both the fractions are not same. So you have to take the LCM. Then what will be the answer? It will be 6 into 5 and 5 into 6. Therefore 25 upon 6 5s are 30. Dabba, and 5 into 6 or 2 into 6, that is 12 upon 30. So whose is bigger now? Denominator same, compare the numerator, bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. Therefore, Asha has the more filled bookshelf. By what fraction? Now is the question. You just need to do A minus S upon by what fraction is it full. You just need to subtract it and divide it. And after that, we'll just begin. So just give me a moment because I need to drink some water. Okay, so I'm back. So I hope that you have gone through the question. So Asha and Samuel have the bookshelves, and the first part was taken care of. That is, yes, back. Just one moment. Okay. So now how much by what fraction? I hope you have calculated it by now. A minus S, what is that? And that is 25 minus 30 minus 12 upon 30, and that will give us the answer of 25 minus 12. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 30, and that will give us the answer of 13 by 30. So I hope you understand that. Now coming to the next question, that is Jaidev takes 2 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 upon 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? This is also the same, and you can do that on your own. So I'll just do a quick solution for you to go through. Okay, so I'll write Jaidev and arrow 2 1 by 5, which is equal to 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 upon 5. Rahul, another person, takes 7 upon 4, and that is already an improper fraction. That is good. Who takes less time and by what fraction? So we have to compare 11 upon 5, dabba 7 upon 4, and then we have to take the LCM. So 5 into 4 20, 4 into 5 20. That will give us 11 into 4 44, dabba, and 7 into 5 35, and denominator is same. So you just need to compare the numerators. Therefore, Jaidev is the bigger one. Okay, now by what fraction? We just have to minus it. That is 44 upon 20 minus, or you can write Jaidev minus Rahul. So 44 upon 20 minus 35 upon 20. Whoever has the larger portion or larger fraction will be taken first, so that you do not have a negative sign in the answer. So 44 minus 35 will give you 35, 45, 9 upon 20. The answer is 9 upon 20. So coming to the next question. Okay, the exercise have been completed. So I hope that you enjoyed the way of our teaching and that you are able to understand whatever we are teaching. So if you do, so hit the like button and subscribe button. And also, if you are truly trying to help your classmates, do share our videos with your friends or in the WhatsApp group or whatever. And till the next time we meet, that is the next video will be the last video for class 6 mathematics chapter 7, and after that we'll be starting class 6 mathematics chapter 8, and we'll continue until our mission is completed, creating a mindset that not only makes the student able to solve similar questions that have been taught by the teacher, but rather solve new questions and tackle new topics which they are not known of. That making the students brave to approach new topics and creative to understand new topics. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.